Most people think checking your credit score will hurt it. And that is exactly why they avoid it for years. But here's the truth no one tells you. Checking your own credit score is completely safe. And in fact, it is one of the smartest financial habits you can build. In this video, you'll learn how to check your credit score for free in 2026, where to check it safely, and how to understand what your score actually means for your financial future. Let's get straight into it. Your credit score is a number that shows how reliable you are with borrowed money. It is used by banks to decide whether to approve loans, credit cards, or even higher credit limits. So if someone like Alex in Mumbai applies for a credit card, the bank first checks his credit score. Now here's where it gets interesting. You do not need to pay money or go through complicated processes to check it. In most countries, you can access it for free through official credit bureaus or approved financial apps. But here's the problem. Many people use random websites that are not official. They either show outdated scores or try to sell unnecessary services. That can lead to confusion and sometimes even scams. Now let's break it down simply. First, understand where your credit score comes from. In India, it is generated by bureaus like CIBIL and other licensed agencies. In the US, it comes from major credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These are the official sources. Second, choose a trusted platform. Most banks and financial apps now provide free credit score access. If Jake logs into his banking app or a verified financial app, he can usually see his score instantly, without any charge. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Checking your own score is called a soft inquiry. That means it does not affect your credit score at all. You can check it as many times as you want without any penalty. Third, once you see your score, do not just look at the number. Look at the details. Your report will usually show factors like payment history, credit usage, and account age. These are the real drivers of your score. For example, if John sees a low score, it might be because of late payments or high credit usage. That gives him a clear direction on what to fix. Now here is a simple habit that can change your financial future. Check your credit score once a month. Not daily, not randomly, but consistently. This helps you track progress and catch issues early. So to wrap it up, checking your credit score for free is easy, safe, and extremely important. Use official sources, understand your report, and monitor it regularly. If you do this, you are not just checking a number. You are actively managing your financial health. If this helped you, like the video, comment your country so I can create more tailored credit guides, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns that actually help you make smarter money decisions.